Okay, number 10 says BC minus 4A over C. So B is 4, C is 6, and A is -3. The bottom C is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Now this is tricky. Remember, you're subtracting. This is the subtraction sign that I'm bringing down. But 4 times -3 is -12. And the only reason I put it in parentheses is so that we don't have two subtractions or one subtraction and one negative sign right next to each other and you get confused. So all of that over 6. Now when you put this in your calculator, you have to do 24 take away -12. 24 take away -12 will give you 36 over 6, which is just 6. If you do the simplifying, or if you divide, either way you want to simplify it, you get 6. You'll either get 6 over 1 if you reduce it, or if you do 36 divided by 6, you get 6 as your answer. Either way. Okay, let's go to number 13. Number 13, it says translate each phrase into an algebraic expression. I'm going to write down the phrase. It says $250 plus the current balance. $250 plus the current balance. First thing you want to do, find everything that's going to be in your equation, your algebraic expression, I'm sorry. 250, that's the number. The word plus, we know, is addition. And the current balance is what you're adding it to. So we have to assign a variable to that because we don't know what it is. So let's call it B for balance. So your expression will look like this. $250 plus B. $250 plus the current balance. And that's it. You're done. Final answer. That's how easy that is. Let's do number 16. It says $1 less than 3 times the price. $1 less than 3 times the price. So, of course, $1 is important. Less than is important. We're going to find out that that means subtraction in a minute. 3 times, we know that that basically means 3 multiplied by something. And the price. We don't know what the price is, so we're going to call it P. Okay? And this is a subtraction sign here. Now, this is what I want to show you. Think about this for a minute. If I say, think about it like this, because this is where people get messed up. If I say Miss James has $14 and you have $2 less than that, how do I figure out how much money you have left? I'm sorry. I do 14 take away 2, right? So this is saying $1 less than this amount, whatever this amount is. So let's find out whatever this amount is and then take away $1. Okay? So we're going to take away $1 from something. We don't know what the something is yet. So the something is 3 times the price. So 3P would be 3 times the price and then take away $1. So this is $1 less than, this is what makes it less than 3 times the price. Some people get this confused with less than, greater than, equal to, you know, the signs or the symbols. It's not that. It's saying whatever 3 times the price is, this amount is $1 less than that. So you're taking $1 away from 3 times the price. And I'm hoping that that made it clear, because a lot of times people have trouble with this type of expression. Okay, so that's your final answer. Let's do number, see how much time I have left. Let's do number 17. Okay, number 17 says, in a county poll taken last week, 184 people said they would vote for the incumbent candidate. Each week, when the poll was taken again, the number of people who said they would vote for the incumbent went down by 8. So let's write down what we know. Right now we have 184 people, right? And it goes down by 8 each week. 184 people say they would vote yes for the incumbent candidate. And every week it goes down by 8. Each week it goes down by 8. So they want us to write an expression to find the total number of people who would vote for an incumbent in any week. So this is part A. So if you start off with 184, going down out of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which one does going down look like would represent? Subtraction. So 184 going down by 8 each week means you're taking away 8 each week. Each week is the W. Okay? So that means every week, if it's 2 weeks, W would be 2. If it's 3 weeks, W would be 3, because each week you're taking away 8. So that means basically you're multiplying 8 by how many weeks there are, right? Because say if it's 2 weeks, then that means it went down 16. If it's 3 weeks, it went down 24. If it's 4 weeks, it went down 32. Every week is going down by 8, so you're counting by 8s, 8 times tables. So it's 8 times the number of weeks. So when you see the word each, a lot of times that's your clue that it's going to be multiplication with the variable. Multiply with variable. So W stands for weeks. 8 each week means 8W. And then it says find the number of people in the 5th week who would vote for the incumbent. So that means in the 5th week, this is B, 184 minus 8 times 5, because this is the 5th week. So the weeks is 5. So you get 184 minus 40. 8 times 5 is 40, which equals 144. Final answer.